it's me, Steffi, and I'm sorry I've been gone for so long. I've been dealing with some health issues. I'm fine, nothing serious, but I ended up in the ER the 16th or 17th. I think it was the 16th, due to some terrible, I had chest and shoulder and back pain, and I kind of knew it wasn't a heart attack, but it was so painful, it really scared me. And they did every test they could do on me, and they ruled out a heart attack. But I do have some other issues I'm dealing with, one of them being terrible heartburn. And I'm slowly figuring out what I was doing that was causing it. But as of that day, I started a plant-based diet. And I started another channel, which I've had it for a long time, but I've renamed it a few times. Currently, it's called Steffi's Plant-Based Journey to Get Healthy. That's probably going to be backwards. Or maybe it won't be. Some cameras do backwards. And I'm doing a little vlog there. It's for me. It's for, me to keep account of what I'm doing, because I want to just kind of be able to look back over the year and see where I started and all that. But it's been a little bit brutal, because I started on a carnivore diet on January 1st, only lasted the 2 weeks, and then started this diet because I didn't like what my heart scans and all that showed. I wasn't comfortable being on a carnivore diet, and boy, I got slammed pretty bad. It was pretty brutal for a week or two there. I had to do a lot of deleting. But, people are passionate about what they believe in, and if they think you're not doing what they think you should do, you hear about it. But I have been working. I've got this little heart. I was using new supplies. I was using some velvets. So I'm going to be doing this one in the next few days. I'm starting Nexium today, or I started Nexium today, so within the couple days I should start to have some peace in my stomach, because it doesn't matter what I eat. I've just been miserable. Now today I feel okay. I'm just really tired. But I have a couple other projects too I have out that I really am excited to do. I want to get a couple done before Valentine's Day, because then we're going to be heading into Easter, Mother's Day, Father's Day, spring, summer, and just the year will take off. So I haven't disappeared. I am going to be making more videos. I didn't want to leave you hanging, so I thought I would come in and just let you know I'm okay. I've just been going through a little bit. And if you want to check out my other channel, I'll make sure I put a link in the description box below, and you can check out that channel if you're interested. It's a tiny channel. I think I have 157 subscribers, but it's not about that. It's literally for me. And I thought I'll make it public, because I know I've enjoyed when I can watch somebody else going through something, and it's fun to join a new channel and be part of the growth. And so I thought it'd be fun to make it public. Some of the videos are private because I was on a different diet before, and I just took all those off. Eventually I'll take the ones that are about the previous diet off, but for now I'm leaving them, just because people were subscribed to it, and I don't want them confused as to why did I subscribe to this. If they see that I changed, then they'll know. But and I fully expect the people that subscribed to me for the couple weeks that I was on the other diet will all leave, and I totally respect that. This isn't the diet they signed up for. But anyway, I do have a lot I'm working on, or I was working on. Right now I'm working on nothing, because it's all I can do just to get through each day and figure out what I can eat. And my best friend, who is a sufferer of heartburn for 30 plus years, it goes through her whole family, she has helped me and told me to get on Nexium. She's also a nurse, and she's got experience dealing with patients with heartburn as well. So I started it this morning. It takes 1 to 4 days, so I'm hoping by Wednesday, when I have to go in for all my labs, I'll be feeling better. I've also got thyroid I'm dealing with that could be quite severe. And I don't know if you've noticed this, but in editing my videos, I noticed my eyes didn't look right. I looked like my eyes were like saggy or something, and I noticed my voice was hoarse. Well, after researching my thyroid, after hearing that the numbers were really bad, saggy eyes and a hoarse voice are both part of thyroid. So more than likely I'll be starting a thyroid med this week and get that back on track. And that could explain a lot of my fatigue and other issues I've had. I've known I've had thyroid issues for a long time, but they've never been really where they needed to be treated. You know, doctors don't like to treat it unless it really shows up. But it was pretty bad, and they're retesting it to make sure. And then my doctor's going to get me started on a medication. So that's what I've been through the last month, and this month of January. And I haven't forgotten you. In fact, I've been really upset that I haven't gotten a video out. But I think in the next day or two, I'll be able to get back to recording and get a video up for you. Probably after my husband will be off Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and I'll be able to come in and hopefully get some work done that day, those 3 days. And but I wanted to apologize for just disappearing. I don't like it when other creators do that to me, and it was not intentional. I wasn't even up to doing a short, and people don't always see the shorts, so I wanted to make sure it was at least a 5-minute video so it would show up in your feed. But I will be back hopefully later this week. Like I said, I go in Wednesday for my blood work, and then he'll be off those 3 days. And I'm hoping by then my Nexium will kick in and I'll be feeling like a whole different person, because, oh boy, I've never had to deal with anything like this. And why all of a sudden, I don't know. But it's a whole journey, which I will be discussing on the other channel, because I'm kind of figuring it out. And once I get to the point where I'm feeling better, I'll go through the whole journey for anybody else that's been through heartburn, that I can explain what I went through and maybe prevent somebody else from making some of the mistakes I made. And but I'll be back soon, and I look forward to making some videos for you. I haven't forgotten about you. I'm not giving up on this channel by any means. In fact, this year I'd really hope to get back to doing a couple videos a week. So I'll be back later this week. Thank you so much. Bye.